Welcome to homework.
This problem gives a sample of carbon dioxide that is 4.6% by volume. We're asked to assume that the pressure is 1 atmosphere, temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. And first, we're asked to calculate the partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Now, Dalton's law says that the partial pressures, percentage of partial pressure corresponds to the percentage of the volume of the gas. So if the gas is 4% by volume, then its partial pressure is also 4% of the total pressure. So if I take 4.6% and I change that to a decimal, that's 0.046. That's 4.6% as a decimal. I'm going to take the 4% of the total pressure, which is 1 atmosphere, to find that the partial pressure that corresponds to carbon dioxide is 0.046 atmospheres. Okay, this is going to help me to find the molarity of CO2. Now recall that molarity is moles of solute over liters of solution. I need moles, and when I'm working with gases, the way that we get to moles is using the ideal gas law. So I'm going to use the ideal gas law. Recall that's PV equals nRT, where N is the number of moles. So I'm going to solve for N, divide by RT on both sides. And the values that I'm going to plug in here, P, the total pressure, that's 1 atmosphere. The volume, recall that if it's 4.6% by volume, I'm going to assume that I have 1 liter of gas, and 4.6% of that is 0.046 liters. R is the ideal gas law constant, 0.821. I'm using 821 because it has units of atmospheres, liters divided by mole Kelvin. The temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but I need that temperature in Kelvin. So 37 degrees Celsius is 310 degrees Kelvin. And this helps me find that 1 liter of the whole gas, which contains 4.6% carbon dioxide, contains 0.0018 moles of CO2. Okay, where does that take me? So essentially what I did here was assume that I was working with 1 liter. Let's set this aside. That was the assumption. If I assume that it's 1 liter, then of that 1 liter, 0.0018, it contains 0.0018 moles of gas. Now I was asked for molarity. So I'm going to take that 0.0018 moles, divide by the 1 liter, and find that my molarity is 0.0018 molar CO2.